It's the Restless Viking here. And we've been at 2 drinks with our friends at the Big Boiler Brewing Company in Lowell, Michigan. We've been at 2 drinks. One is the Restless Viking and the other one is the Bloody Viking. We're going to try to make the Bloody Viking because it's one of Poppin's favorites. It has the cinnamon taste thing for it. So it's it's like a seasonal drink. It's kind of like pumpkin spice, but for Vikings. So we have to improvise though if you come in here close. Normally what it takes is Fireball, coconut rum. We don't have any coconut rum, so we're going to use something almost as bad, Crown Royal. Takes grenadine. We don't have grenadine, but we do have cherry juice, and apple juice goes into it, and we have Minute Maid apple juice. We have our plastic cups. Now normally you use the very large solid cubes of ice that you'd use for bourbon, so you don't infect your drink and water it down too quick. But we don't have ice because I'm anti-cooler ice. I like to freeze bottles of water, large bottles of water, and let them sit so we don't get everything wet. So I'm at a bit of a disadvantage, but you know, adapt and overcome. So since we don't have the large ice cubes, we'll just have to adapt and overcome. So the first thing's Poppin said when I started tearing this apart is it looks dangerous. So welcome to my world, Poppin. It's a world of danger. Do is
like the Prohibition days?
Yeah, it's like the Prohibition days.
Oh, this is fun.
Ice pick action. And now we have our 2 bourbon rocks that we can use. So put your large bourbon cube in there. You're going to do 1 shot of Fireball. There's Poppins. There's me. A little splash of grenadine. Or juicy juice, cherry juice. Poppins. Me. And then, of course, to finish it off with the apple juice. And there we go. Aha. 2 Bloody Vikings, suitable for the view that we have here today. Come on, Poppins, let's get drunk. Is this one mine?